First, get the text tool and type here. You can change the font in here. Pressing Alt and Shift, you can resize text. And now object, expand, OK. Now get the ellipse tool and make an ellipse. Now get a copy, paste in front. Now change the color. You can resize first Alt and Shift pressing. Select all, get shape builder tool and pressing Alt, click here and delete each. You can use Ctrl plus and Ctrl minus extreme zoom and zoom out. Now change the color. Now select all, get shape builder tool and unit each one. Now select this ellipse, go to object, path and offset path and OK. Now select all, get path pointer tool and divide and right click and ungroup. Now delete each one. Press the delete key. Now select all, get shape builder tool and unit. Now change the color. You can save file, export, quick export. Export as Xscreen. Open the Photoshop mockup and double click, replace the with logo. Yes. You can download this mockup in freepik.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. See you next video.